Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Grace wig by Envy in the color Golden Nutmeg. I thought that this would be a really fun combination because Golden Nutmeg is kind of a fun color. This is an Envy hair wig, so I want to make sure before I start going into the color that I describe to you Envy hair properties just a little bit. This is a roughly 70% heat-friendly synthetic with a 30% human hair blend. So it's got a really lovely feel to it, and what that human hair does in that blend is it helps the wig discharge static quickly. That's really important because heat-friendly synthetic fibers are slightly more elastic than non-heat friendly fibers, which means that they have a spring to them. Well, that extra action, you know, especially when you're styling it or, you know, you're putting it in a ponytail or something like that, that elasticity over time helps it generate more static. So I know I'm geeking out on you, but just bear with me. It does. It creates static electricity, and so basically that causes heat-friendly, pure heat-friendly synthetic wigs, so not Envy hair, but like just wigs that are made of just heat-friendly fiber, it causes them to clump up, and you'll see that when you wear them. You won't see that so much with this because that human hair helps prevent that. So hopefully that helps explain that. So one of the reasons why this is so important to know before discussing the color, I'm going to geek out on you one more time, is that all three of these fibers, human hair, heat-friendly synthetic hair, and traditional canicle-on synthetic hair, all three of them are dyed using the same pigments most of the time. In this case, that's the case. Each one of them, because they have different chemical properties, they all take to the color differently. And that's really important to note because you can never expect a synthetic wig made of canicle-on fiber to be the exact same color as one that's heat-friendly synthetic or one that is, you know, human hair. They're all going to take to the color a little bit differently. Grace feels great on. I've been reviewing Envy wigs all evening, and this one so far has the most comfortable cap of the ones that I've tried. I think that it fits really nicely. It's still a little bit snug on me, but that's because I have a big head again. So I do think this fits true to average. I think that even though this one doesn't have a lace front, the generous bang really does cover that up. I'm gonna tuck some of this behind my ear, see how it goes. Oh, I like that too. I'm having such a problem this fall because I've said this before in other videos, but I mean it. Like, I want to keep everything. I've been having such a blast with these fall wigs. They're just really lovely from every line I've reviewed so far. This one has a lot of hair in the front. The bang is very generous, and the top layer here in the front is also very generous. You may want to thin it out if you have a smaller frame or have a stylist thin that out for you. I'm going to go ahead and do a 360 so I can show you what Grace looks like on all sides. This one reminds me a lot of Raquel's Infatuation, except this one has a much thicker front and frankly better cap construction. I'll show you right now. This has a completely hand-tied cap, and I found this cap to be quite comfortable, though I will say I had to let it out all the way to get it on my head. I have an average large cap size though, and this is an average size wig, so it's not really the wig's fault. It is a hand-tied monofilament top. It is single monofilament with a generous band of polyurethane at the front hairline. Beautiful rooting, by the way, on this wig. Very soft. And very nice monofilament here. We also have stretch mesh that is hand-tied in the back here with an extended felt nape, Velcro adjusters that, like I said, I had to let all the way out to get this on. And then we've also got some protective mesh on top of the elastic band here in the back. Overall, this wig doesn't really stretch much because it's a lot of monofilament. Now I will say the Envy line has relatively soft ear tabs, so you want to make sure they lay flat when you put the wig on. So let's wrangle some ear tabs. Okay, one's up here, one's down there, just adjust, get it in place. And I'm wearing my glasses below my ear tabs on this one. I do kind of love this thick front though. I do. It's the little ladies, but I kind of love it. I will say, I find this one to be quite fun. It feels really lovely. It's only 3.5 ounces, so it's very light. Part of that's in fact due to that cap construction. Hand-tie caps usually tend to be quite light. The front is 4 inches, and like I said, it's very thick up in the front. The crown down is 7 inches. The sides are 6, so it's very layered, very shaggy. And the nape is 6.75 inches. So this has been the CysterWigs review of Grace by Envy in the color Golden Nutmeg. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's C-Y-S-T-E-R, say along with me, W-I-G-S.com. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Hopefully you get something out of them, and if so, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming features. And until next time, I hope you have a lovely night.